Meantime, we want to get back to meteorologist Lindsay Riley, who's standing by with our weather impact forecast and potential rain in the forecast. What else are we expecting in the 7-day, Lynn?
Well, we also are looking at triple digits. So we have a little bit of everything because we have highs in the 80s showing up in the 7-day outlook. We have triple digit highs and we have rain as well as sunshine for the next couple days. We're going to cover it all. Beautiful sunset tonight. There's the nearly full moon over Gilbert. You can see the Gilbert Water Tower there. Looking off to the east, beautiful evening, very pleasant temperatures. But check out some of these readings up in northern Arizona right now. It is only 39 degrees in Flagstaff tonight. It is 57 in Sedona, 78 here. It's been a gorgeous night here across the valley. Looking ahead to tomorrow, very seasonal high temperatures, warmer than today because today we only hit 89 and that humidity was nice and low. It was a gorgeous day out there. 94 for the high tomorrow in Phoenix and Tempe. 92 degrees in Mesa. As you can see, for the next few days, we are looking at a warming trend up to 97 by Tuesday. There's our triple digit heat Thursday and Friday. And then you can see this very sharp cutoff heading into next weekend thanks to some tropical moisture that will be working into our state. Now today, the average high is 93, but it's going to drop off very quickly throughout the month of October because by Halloween, that average high drops down to 83 and then 71 by Thanksgiving. Our lowest average high for the year happens right around Christmas at 65, and by New Year's, it's already trending upwards. Our highest average high for the year is 107, and that happens late June into early July. Across the state tomorrow, we're not going to lack for sunshine. It's going to be a gorgeous Monday. Low humidity sticking around another day. 78 in Payson, 82 in Kingman, and 77 up toward Page. Across the high country, the next 3 days are going to be gorgeous. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, highs are going to be in the 70s and 80s, not terribly windy. After Wednesday, though, that's when we're going to begin to see some rain chances. Right now, we have a hurricane out in the Pacific. That's not going to be a hurricane anymore by the time it starts to impact our weather. The timeline for this is by Friday. You can start to see it off the Baja Peninsula. An area of low pressure over California is what's going to help usher in some of that moisture. So there's Priscilla there. It'll continue to push to the north. We have a trough building over California later in the week, and those two systems working together are going to bring up our humidity levels and usher in more moisture into Arizona. And the timing of that looks to be between Friday and Sunday of next week. In fact, this is going to be a decent soaking rain. Anywhere that you see the blue here, that's over a half of an inch of rainfall. So we'll see the most up in the high country, but the lower deserts, this could be another good soaking rain for us. So as far as our rain chances for the week, you can see that in Phoenix, at least, they start to go up on Friday and Saturday, but they're going to peak on Sunday at 40%. Here in the high country, though, by Thursday, we'll start to get a little bit of moisture on the radar, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday peaking at 40%. The dew points will be going up. You can see there they peak on Saturday. So we're going to definitely start to feel a little bit more tropical, a lot more humid, even though temperatures will come down with those rain chances. And then this is another heavy rain outlook more in the middle of the month. So not only do we have next week's rain, this could be additional rain chances toward the middle of the month, including all of Arizona. So here's our Flagstaff 7-day. The next couple days are going to be nice and sunny, and then our storm chances begin to go up later in the week into next weekend. Check out some of those highs, only in the 60s for highs next weekend. But here in the valley, we're going to be dropping down as well. 2 more triple-digit days, Thursday, Friday, but by next Sunday, our high is going to be 89.